So here is my random room at the Sheraton Detroit Metro Airport. I was not supposed to be spending the night here, but I am. So here's closet, iron, hairdryer, safe, normal closet, bathroom. It's weird they left the toilet seat up, but whatever. Normal bathtub, kind of whatever size. You can tell I'm exhausted and I'm not supposed to be here because I'm trapped here. So, sink. I already used a towel and the soap. And then normal like Sheraton conditioner. And then we go around the corner. We've got two doubles, one with tons of my stuff on it, and the one I will sleep in tonight. And are there outlets by the bed? No. Hotels, you gotta get on that. But does this one have a top sheet? No top sheet either. Okay, well, but it looks really comfy bedding. Sheraton Weston bedding is usually pretty good. We got a desk area, big TV, and little coffee area, and then some goodies and whatnot. So this is pretty much my hotel room. And what do I view? Oh, the parking lot, which you totally can't see. You can just see my phone. But let me tell you, it's not very exciting. And then we've got a little chair and a little table. But all in all, I'm just happy to have a place to stay tonight because for a minute there, I didn't know if I would. So here is the Sheraton Metro Detroit Airport